Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy, QueenieMan500.
And so I pull down my pants, and that's when she's like, "Who the f*** are you, man?" Oh.
Oh. Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. Come on in.
Alright, don't ask any questions while I'm here. What happened in the woods just didn't happen. I'm actually, camping, because I'm trying to live off the grid, save money and stuff. Today, we will be reviewing the new iPhone 11 from Apple. I have the 69GB model right here. It's got like 8 cameras, all 420 megapixels, and it's pretty much the exact same thing as the 10, just more cameras. Alright, now it's time for the box review. The front is pretty cool. The phone right here, it's a little like raised, and it's really smooth, and so is the rest of the box. On the edges, like here, it's got the Apple thing, and then the one here, and then on the sides it says some words and some words here, and then there's a bunch of words on the back, but I can't read, so I don't know what they say, but I'm sure they're important somehow. Hey guys! Okay, now we're gonna actually open up the box and see what's inside and just everything about it. So I'm gonna open it up here, and it comes with a complimentary phone, too. We don't need that phone, and a charger, too. Okay, so inside the box, it's got, like a thing inside. And
It's like a Grand Canyon, man.
Yeah, it kind of is. Can we get a close-up of that?
Yeah, it's getting a nice close-up.
It's like Lake Michigan in there and stuff. Niagara Falls, maybe. Just, it's not wet. So, that's about it. I'll catch you on the flip side.
Okay, we are gonna test the durability of this box now. So, come with me for a second. Alright, our first test is gonna be, I'm just gonna throw it in the air, alright? And we'll see what happens. So, as you can see, it broke. And during that test, I discovered something very interesting. There's some words inside there. I don't know if you can see them, but there are words in there. There are no words on this side. Now, let's do the same test again. See, it broke again. Alright, that's the durability test. Next, we're going to get onto the density test. Okay, now we are conducting the density test. So, we're going to stick it in the hole.
I don't think it fits.
Wait, oh, it might be this one.
That's a no.
Yeah, it's not going to fit. That means it's very, very dense.
Oh, wait. Try that hole. It fits.
Oh, it fits. Okay, so it's just medium density. So now, we're on to the noise test. Yeah, okay.
Ow.
Now we're going to perform the aeronauticals test, and I'm just going to throw this and we'll see how far it goes. 66, 67, 68, 69. Okay, so now we're gonna test to see how childish this is. If it's very childish, it'll stay in the swing the whole time. And if it's not, it's gonna just fly out. So let's test it.
I'd say that's about half childish.
Yeah, I'd say that's about half childish. Now we're gonna do the physical strength and endurance training. So it's on this thick thing, all right?
I believe they call that a shaft.
On this thick shaft, it's gonna try to get across. If it gets across, it's in shape.
It did not get across, sir.
I think it did.
Yeah, well, it's on the ground, sir.
Well, yeah, I guess you're right. I've never been wrong before. It's time to retire, boys. All right, in this test, we're gonna be doing the lethality test, and I'm just gonna throw it at my cameraman here, and just see what happens, I guess. So let me.
No, God, no.
I got him.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not going off. Go out there and check it.
I'm not going out there. Might get nuked.
Fine, I'll go out there.
Okay.
Cover me.
Yappa pipo, yappo, oh, yappa, ooh, pa, ooh, pa,
I've come to the conclusion that it is not nuclear.